Have you ever wondered why it's so hard to get ahead? You work 40 hours a week, maybe more. You get your paycheck, you pay your bills, and by the time you look at your bank account again, you're right back where you started. It feels like there is an invisible force pulling you down. In the world of science, we call that gravity. In the world of money, we call it the 9 to 5 grind. But here's the cool part. NASA has a secret that can actually help you quit your job. It's a concept called escape velocity, the exact speed a rocket needs to break free from Earth's pull. If you go too slow, you fall back down. If you hit that magic number, you become weightless. Today, I'm going to show you how to calculate your own personal financial escape velocity. We're going to find the point where your money becomes more powerful than your boss. Think about a rocket sitting on a launch pad. It's heavy, it's expensive, and it's fighting the dirt. Your gravity is the cost of staying put. You owe the world money just to exist. As long as you trade your time for bills, you are stuck in the atmosphere. You get a raise, so you buy a nicer car. Now your rocket is heavier. You're just a faster plane, not a space shuttle. You're burning fuel, but not getting higher. We have to stop building a better plane and start building a ship for the vacuum of space. Before we fly, we talk about why you're falling. The first force is high-interest debt. High-interest debt is an anchor. It's a black hole. If you get too close, the math changes. The interest grows faster than you can pay it off. You can't outrun the physics of debt. The second force is inflation. Think of it like a headwind that never stops blowing. If your money is in a regular bank account, you're a satellite with a dead engine. To reach the stars, you have to cut the anchor of debt and find an engine that grows faster than the wind of inflation. How much fuel do you need? We use something called the Rule of 25. Take everything you spend in a year. Let's say that number is $50,000. Your escape velocity number is 25 times that. For a $50K life, it's $1.25 million. Once you have that, you've created a self-sustaining ecosystem. The market grows by 8 to 10%. You only breathe 4%. The ship creates more fuel than it uses. I know that sounds like a huge number, like a distance you could never travel, but mass is the enemy. To reach space faster, you need a lighter rocket. For every $100 a month you save, you just lowered your escape velocity goal by $30,000. A lightweight rocket reaches the stars faster. This is why minimalist astronauts win. Once you launch, you enter the void, the boring middle stretch. You see other people spending their fuel on fancy things, and you think, what's the point? But then momentum takes over. The gravity of the sun, the market, starts pulling you. Eventually, you hit the mark. Your velocity number has been reached. Work is now a choice. You are no longer a slave to the ground. The universe is huge. Why spend it in a cubicle fighting gravity you were meant to break? Your mission? Calculate your number. Shed the dead weight. Ignite your engines. I'll see you in the stars. Hit subscribe for the next mission.